Hey, it's Matt with GolfCartingTV. I am here with Noah McClure from MC Custom Carts. Noah, thanks for coming out here today, buddy. You got a pretty sweet build here. Why don't you tell me, first off, let's start with, what do you begin with? What's the base of this thing?
Yeah, so this is a 2015 RXV. Pulled it off the course, had the nasty lead acid batteries in it that everybody hates. So we took those out. It's got a really cool battery in it. I'll swap around here. So this is one of SkunkWorks' new batteries. It is a 24S pack, 76.8 volt that fits in half of a TXT tray. It's the same size as a skinny battery, 51, 105. It packs a punch. It's got a Navitas 600 amp controller, HD solenoid, 2-gauge cables, and it's running the stock motor as well. So it does about 40 to 45 miles an hour.
That's awesome. Yeah, nice and clean, everything. I mean, from a wiring perspective and stuff, you look in there.
Thank you.
It's a nice looking.
Yeah,
nice
the RXV harness is one of those things that just looks nasty.
Yeah.
It looks nasty. So
yeah.
We do our best to cover it up.
So tell me what else you got. Obviously, you have a Apex body from MadJax.
Yes, a lot of MadJax stuff. So we've got the Apex body here. This is the basic white color because it's not finished build yet. We're gonna paint match all the black plastics and stuff like that. But it's got the MadJax King XD 4-inch lift. I think that's one of their newer lifts.
Yeah.
And it's been doing great for me so far. It's got the MODZ 15x10s with the X-Comp tires on it. So it rides really nicely.
Yeah, I think is there spacers on it or something, or is it just the tires, the depth of those
just
tires
those
that make
wide
it wide?
wheels. Yeah, you got the nice offset with the deep dish there.
Yeah.
So that's turned out really nice.
Yeah, and then you've got custom mat from Deco Mats.
Yep.
Looks like
This is a Deco mat. It's actually got the Ghost Energy Drink logo on it because that's the name of the cart. It's going to be more white when it's done, like I said. But this is it for now. They did a really good job on the mat. They said they've never done an all-white mat before.
Oh, really?
So this is a first.
Yeah, it looks sweet. I mean, it ties in obviously with everything else, and I know that you're planning on doing more white stuff. But that's very cool.
Correct.
And then this is all sport.
All sport windshield. Yep, that's something that's been around for a while, and they keep doing a great job with them.
Yeah.
So they just look so good.
So what do we got here? You got custom seats put together?
Yes, so these are seat covers by Custom Quality Colors. They're down here in Florida. So we took the nasty tan seat covers off and upholstered these on here. They always do a great job with fitment and stuff like that, and we try our best to make them as tight as possible. But this is something that we love to do. We love to stitch on, so love to staple on seats.
Yeah, it doesn't look like on cover. I mean, it is all. A lot of times, like you said, you can tell, there's a little bubble here or a little pull here or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got to make it as tight as possible.
Anything in the back relative to base stuff that you've got going on? You plan on putting anything, radio, audio kind of stuff in here?
We're probably going to do a sound system of some sort.
Yeah.
I don't really know what kind yet. We really like to do pods in the front with 6.5s. And there's a nice spot for a big old subwoofer.
There is,
back there.
plenty of space.
Might have a little bit of fun with it.
Awesome. Cool, man. Noah, thanks for showing us off.
Thank you, Matt.
Well done.
Thank you.
So if somebody wants to learn more about MC Custom Carts, where can they find that out?
Yeah, so we're on Instagram and Facebook as well. So you can go over there and follow us. We post all of our builds, all of our contact information, our address, everything you need to know.